Astra Lumina worth it? Let's check it out. And off we go.
Moon, I'm there soon.
Oh my god.
Oh no, your pictures are
Wow, it looks good. It's like inverted.
with the sun, depending upon the shot. Oh, I think this is
already. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. You get
as you can see
everything.
plants, but also all the spheres. There's actually a
Disco ball.
like the sun.
Yeah. Wow, they're so huge.
Oh, the sky looks cool with the line too.
Yeah. This is that song again. Ta-da.
Mountains going up and down.
Oh. It's just like, wee. What do you think? Kind of love it here. It's very enchanting, very cosmic. Do I think it's worth it? Well, I think it's worth it. It's not a bunch like other gardens. Like Descanso, at one point I've been there and it's pretty big, but that's also nice. Here is a little bit smaller, but everything is well thought of and beautiful. I think my favorite part would be the laser beams because that's such a show. My tip here is if you're a little bit sensitive about paying parking, it's $28 for preferred parking, and it's preferred that you buy it first. And there's an off-site parking which would only cost you $12, but you have to pay it in advance. There's security here, that will check your bags. Of course, we all want to be safe, but also there's a QR code that you have to take photo before you enter, and it's a waiver for something that's kind of off before getting in, because like, how the heck would you read all of those? Like before coming, you wouldn't even think of it, right? It's also amazing here because there's only one pathway. You wouldn't get lost. So there you go. I hope you like this video. See you next time, and off I go.